Hey guys, what's up? The BUZ channel here, and today we're going to be unboxing some BUZ stuff again. How many unboxing videos have I done today? A lot. So yeah, let's get into it. And in the next video we're going to be unboxing a model. Not going to tell you what model yet. You'll have to wait and find out. It's only going to be a short one, obviously. I'll be back in a minute once I've got into it. I am a twit. I could have just opened it like this. And here comes a Saxon travel coach. And the way I found out about these guys is that they brought a Plaxton Cheetah BB53 MTB from Baker's Coaches in Morton Marsh. And yes, the Cheetah is still in service, surprisingly, as you drivers know you probably hate them. But in my case, I like them. And it's a shame that Baker's got rid of GB06 MTB. I never got to go on that bus. I only had a chance to look inside it before they sold it when I went to Baker's in Morton Marsh for the first time, and yeah, obviously GB06 is in the thumbnail, so you guys know which one I'm going on about if you watch it. So yeah, let's get the thumbnail now. Actually, wait there. The reg of the coach is GT02 BUZ. So yeah, nice little coach photo. Don't know what make it is. Have to tell me in the comments or I can look it up on the internet. So yeah, let's get the thumbnail. So thank you guys for watching and peace out.